good, loves? Welcome to the channel. Back with another wig review from SHEIN. And you know I love a good wig from SHEIN. So let's get into the details of this unit that I have received. And let's see if this wig is a hit or miss. So in the package, I received the 7-pack wig tool set. I received lace tinting mousse, my wax stick, 2 wig caps, a rat tooth comb, an edge brush, and an elastic band. I'm just going in with a little bit of the lace tinting mousse in the shade light brown. Get the lace to match the color of my skin. And once that dries, I will be trying her on for size. So the wig construction inside came with 3 combs and an elastic band. I never really have issues with the sizing of SHEIN's wigs, so of course it's big head friendly. So here's how the wig looks straight out the box. I have not bleached the knots. I usually do bleach my knots when it comes down to SHEIN wigs, but this time I didn't really feel like it was needed. I feel like the knots were pretty small enough, but I am going to tweeze and pluck the hairline off camera just to kind of give it a natural look to it. So now I'm just cutting off the remaining lace that is hovering over my ears since the lace is a bit big. The wig that I'm reviewing in this video is their 13x4 human hair silky straight lace front wig, and I got her in 20 inches, and she's also 180% density. I'll be styling the wig into a middle part with a few layers, so I'll be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so be sure you stay tuned for that. And if you are interested in the wig that I'm wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
But I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on goals on. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. flow. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it none of these niggas. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top.
So here's the finished look, and the wig is really pretty. It's just too thin for my liking. And child, y'all know me, I love me a thick wig, and this wig right here in particular is just not thick at all. No thickness, babes. But other than that, the hair is super soft. The wig was easy to put on, and the hair was easy to style. All I did was add a little bit of heat to the hair, define the part a little bit more. I did pluck the wig off camera, but I didn't bleach the knots. Overall, this is a cute wig. She's cute. I give her a 7. I give her a 7 because the wig could have been fuller. But that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.